everyone. Welcome to Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. SNEHAL GODAMBE, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Welcome to today's session. Dear children, as you know, we all stay in India, right? And our country is a fine example of unity in diversity, because you know there are different type of religious and religion people are staying all together since decades, and they are staying living very happily with each other because we have freedom of thoughts, freedom of behavior, and freedom of keeping and following our religion. Why am I telling all you this? Because in today's session we are going to learn about festivals of Northeast India, and this will be the first part of this topic, festivals of Northeast India. See, as you know, we all love to celebrate our festivals. Here, as I said earlier, different religious people staying together happily since long time. In history, we have seen that, right? So here, different types of festival we celebrate. We celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Holi, we celebrate Durga Puja, Baisakhi, Dashera, then Onam, Holi, we celebrate Eid, we celebrate Christmas. At the same time, while celebrating our religious festival, we celebrate national festivals like Republic Day and Independence Day. So these are some of the festivals which are celebrated in India. But today's topic will be dedicated to the special part of our country, and that is the Northeast. Why am I telling this, or why am I saying this? That you will come to know gradually after watching this video. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपला देश हा एकतेचं मूर्तिमंत उदाहरण आहे. अगदी जुन्या पुरातन काळापासून आपल्याकडे विविध जाती धर्माचे लोक एकत्र राहतात आणि आपले सण, उत्सव, रूढी, रीती, परंपरा साजऱ्या करतात. आपल्याला घटनेने पण हे स्वातंत्र्य दिलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे आपण आपल्या ज्या ज्या धर्माचे आपण फॉलोअर आहोत त्या धर्माचे सण तर आपण साजरे करतोच. त्याचबरोबर आपण 26 जानेवारी, आपला स्वातंत्र्य दिन, 15 ऑगस्ट असे वेगवेगळे सण आपण साजरे करत असतो. आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया म्हणजे जो आपल्या देशाचा उत्तर पूर्व भाग आहे, या भागातल्या वेगवेगळ्या सणांची माहिती घेणार आहोत. ते सण तिकडे का साजरे केले जातात, कोणकोणत्या पद्धतीचे लोक तिथे राहतात, कोणकोणत्या जाती जमातीचे लोक राहतात, ते आपापले सण कसे साजरे करतात, या सगळ्याची माहिती, अतिशय सुंदर अशी माहिती आपण आजच्या पाठात घेणार आहोत. So see children, see, we are staying in India, but still we do not know much about our country, different parts of our country. So this is a chance to get to know the people who stays in northeast part of our country. Today we will know in this video, but let's do some activities from chit chat section from this topic. Do the activity. First, frame words related to the following topics as per instructions. So here we have to frame some words. Topics are given to us, and what is the instruction? Let's see. So here the first thing is that we have to frame related words to the given topic. What is our first topic? Festivals. So here we will write some words related to festivals. First word will be cleaning. So you know, whenever any festival is there, before celebration we do the cleaning of our home or house. So cleaning. Next, oh wow, shopping. So whenever any festival is there, after cleaning we go for shopping. We shop the things which are necessary for celebration of this festival. Then we do the shopping of our clothes, jewelry, ornaments, etc., etc. Next word is celebration. So that is the integral part of our festival. Celebration is must. Through celebration we get enjoyment. And the next word will be bonding. So whenever any festival is there, those festivals are meant to be bonding between the people or among the people, between the families, right? So these are some of the related words to the topic festivals. आता इथे आपल्याला वेगवेगळे इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलेत, त्याच्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला आता इथे काही शब्द मी तुम्हाला दाखवलेत. ओके, some are action words and all, but here your list may be different than mine. इकडे तुम्हाला एक एक्झाम्पल दाखवले, तुम्ही असे रिलेटेड वर्ड्स टाकून स्वतःची लिस्ट बनवू शकता. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेम क्वेश्चन विल बी words related adjectives. Now we have to write the adjectives related to music. Okay, now see, in last activity we have done the related words. Now we have to write the related adjective. Okay, so music, it will be loud, then gentle soft music, then harmonious, melodious, and buzzing music. ओके, बघा आपण मागच्या जो पहिला टॉपिक होता त्याच्यात रिलेटेड वर्ड्स लिहिले, आता इथे रिलेटिव्ह ऍडजेक्टिव्ह लिहिलेले आहेत आपण. व्हॉट आर द रिलेटेड ऍडजेक्टिव्ह टू द म्युझिक. ओके, ऍडजेक्टिव्ह आणि वर्ड्स मधला फरक तर तुम्हाला आता माहिती आहे. या लिस्ट मध्ये म्युझिकशी रिलेटेड ऍडजेक्टिव्ह तुम्ही अजून शोधून इथे ऍड करू शकता, किंवा इथले ऍडजेक्टिव्ह तुम्ही बदलून तुमचे लिस्ट मधले ऍडजेक्टिव्ह you can write over here. Topic is related nouns. Now we have written related words, we have written related adjective. Now it's time to write related nouns of what? Dance. Dance शी संबंधित nouns लिहायचे आपल्याला आता. So first will be songs. Without song, sometimes we cannot dance, we need song to dance. Then steps, for if you are doing any performance, group performance and all, then you need some steps. Okay, next is modern. There are different types of dance, traditional, modern. Okay, then music, very necessary to dance, and then classical. So these are some words related to nouns. Here I have shown you very simple nouns related to dance, but as I told you earlier, you can change the nouns over here and you can make your own list. With the activity, we will start with the topic now. The northeast region of India, consisting of 7 states. You can see here is a place of diverse cultures. The northeast India. See, you can see here in first map of our country, the northeast part of our country. This is north and this is east. So this part is known as northeast. Okay, and there are 7 states. such a small part, but it consists of 7 states, and this is a place of diverse cultures. आपल्या देशाचा हा जो उत्तर पूर्व भाग आहे, या भागामध्ये इतका छोटासा आपल्या देशाचा हा भाग आहे बघा. हा आपल्या देशाचा नकाशा आहे आणि यू कॅन सी हिअर अ व्हेरी स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ अवर कंट्री, बट इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 7 स्टेट्स. तिथे 7 राज्य आहेत इतक्या छोट्याशा भागामध्ये. कोणती कोणती आहेत त्याचे आपण तुम्हाला मी 2 वेगवेगळे नकाशे दाखवलेत. इन सेकंड मॅप यू कॅन रीड अरुणाचल प्रदेश with yellow color, then Assam, you can see in green, then it follows with Meghalaya, orange in color, then in red Nagaland, blue, sky blue you can see Manipur, then navy blue colors district Tripura, and the last you can see here, this is Mizoram. Okay, so these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So these part of our country is known as 7 sisters. Okay, they are so close to each other. See here, one by one we will see once again. First is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, in map it is shown in yellow in color. Then at the south of that you can see Assam, which is very famous for the tea. Assam region, Assam state in green color showing this map. Then follows with Meghalaya at the south of Assam. Then there is Nagaland, and then Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram. So these states are there at the northeastern part of our country. So these 7 states are known as 7 sisters. Remember it very nicely. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram. So now in today's topic we are going to learn the different festivals and culture of these states. And why? Because this is a place of diverse cultures. आपल्या देशामध्ये बघा, जसं सुरुवातीला आपण बघितलं, वेगवेगळ्या जाती धर्माचे जमातीचे लोक एकत्र वर्षानुवर्ष युगानुयुग गुण्यागोविंदाने नांदतात आणि प्रत्येकाला आपल्या घटनेनी स्वतःचे सण, चालीरीती, रूढी परंपरा हे सगळं सेलिब्रेट करण्याचा अधिकार दिलेला आहे. तर आता आपल्या भारताचा हा जो भाग तुम्हाला मी नकाशात दाखवलाय, नॉर्थ ईस्ट रिजन ऑफ अवर कंट्री, which are the main festivals or very popular festivals or the regional festivals of these states and how they are celebrated. We are going to know the information about this festival in this topic. So with the different communities and tribes celebrate their unique festivals with great enthusiasm and joy. Now you can see here the different communities and tribes. As I told you, there are different communities and tribal people stays here, right? And they celebrate their unique different festivals with great enthusiasm and joy, with great enthusiasm, with great energy and joy. Now here you can see picture from different regions or from different states, and now we are going to learn about them in detail. Many of their festivals are based on agriculture, and no celebration is complete without the traditional music and dance. So this is the very unique feature of our country. Many of the festivals which are celebrated in our country are based on agriculture. आपल्या देशाचे हे वैशिष्ट्य आहे बघा, की आपल्या देशामध्ये जे कोणते सण आपण साजरे करतो हे निसर्गाशी संबंधित असतात आणि प्रामुख्याने शेतीशी संबंधित असतात. Many of their festival, now here we are talking about the northeast part of our country. So many of their festivals are based on agriculture, शेतीशी संबंधित. And no celebration is complete without the traditional music and dance. कोणताही सण साजरा करताना त्यांना पारंपरिक संगीत आणि नृत्य हे केल्याशिवाय त्या सणाची पूर्ती होत नाही. बघा, आपल्या महाराष्ट्र राज्याबद्दल जर आपल्याला बोलायचं असेल तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे, वी नो दॅट इवन वी हॅव मेनी ट्रायबल festivals over here, and those festivals are celebrated with traditional music and dance. If you want to talk about the Maharashtra very famous Adivasi Nrutya or Koli Nrutya, right? So we have our own traditional music and dance for celebrating the festivals in Maharashtra. Now we know the dance and music about our state or the festival which are celebrated in our state. But here something new we are getting to know from our country. So here the first very important thing is that many of festivals are based on agriculture, and those are celebrated with traditional music and dance. Traditional म्हणजे पारंपरिक, जे परंपरेने चालत आलेला आहे, मागच्या पिढीने पुढच्या पिढीला जो ठेवा दिलेला आहे तो कसा जतन केला जातो हे आता आपण आजच्या या भागामध्ये बघणार आहोत. So here we will begin with the state of Assam. Okay, so we have seen there are 7 states, so here we will begin with the state of Assam. Assam is very famous for its tea plantation. You can see here, blessed with lush greenery and the mighty river Brahmaputra, the people of Assam have a lot to celebrate. These are the natural feature of the Assam. It is blessed with lush greenery. You can see in the picture, and the mighty river Brahmaputra. You can see the mighty, very big river of Brahmaputra. The people of Assam have a lot to celebrate. These are the speciality of this state, blessed with mighty river Brahmaputra and the lush greenery. And because of these, they have many reasons to celebrate. So Bihu is the chief festival of this state. Which is the chief festival of the Assam? Bihu. See, dear children, while watching this video, I'll ask you to do one thing. You sit with your notebook and note down the important festivals, the features of different states. You make 7 columns, and there, according to that state, you note down the important festivals and how they are celebrated and the special feature of this festival and state. Okay, so Bihu is the chief festival of this state. It is celebrated by people of all religions, castes or tribes. So there is no limitation of any religion, caste or tribe. It is celebrated by people of all religions, caste or tribes. What is the speciality of this festival? It is celebrated by each and every person from the Assam. There is no boundaries of any religions, caste or tribes. The 3 different sets of Bihu mark the beginning of the harvesting season, the completion of sowing and the end of the harvest season. See, as we have discussed earlier, our country has the tradition, or you can see a very good thing among our Indians is that we all are thanksgiving people. Whatever nature gives us, we thank nature in different way. आपल्या भारतीय सणांची, आपल्या लोकांची ही एक खासियत आहे की आपण निसर्गाचे आभार मानण्यासाठी विविध सण साजरे करतो. निसर्ग आपल्याला पाऊस देत असतो, वारा देत असतो, ऊन देत असतो, सुंदर माती, या मातीत येणारी पिकं, पाणी, अन्नधान्य ह्या प्रत्येक गोष्टीसाठी, निसर्गातल्या प्राण्यांसाठी आपण वेगवेगळे सण साजरे करतो. जसं आपल्याकडे नागपंचमी असते, वटपौर्णिमा असते. ह्या विविध सणांचा हेतू हा असतो की ज्या निसर्गातून आपल्याला विविध गोष्टी मिळतात, त्या निसर्गाचे त्याबद्दल आपण आभार मानायचे. तसा आसाममध्ये साजरा केला जाणारा हा बिहू जो सण आहे, हा आसामचा मुख्य सण आहे. आणि या सणामध्ये सगळ्या समाजाचे, जातीचे, जमातीचे लोक सामील होतात. आणि 3 गोष्टींसाठी हा सण साजरा केला जातो. एक तर हार्वेस्टिंग सीझन असतो की ज्या वेळेला शेतीची मशागत केली जाते. दुसरा भाग म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये बियांची पेरणी केली जाते आणि पावसाळ्यानंतर जेव्हा पिकं तयार होतात त्यावेळेला, असे 3 स्टेपसाठी हा सण साजरा केला जातो. म्हणजे एकंदरीत आपल्याला जे काही अन्नधान्य निसर्ग पुरवत असतो त्यासाठी, त्याला थँक्स गिव्हिंग साठी हा सण इथे साजरा केला जातो. See, in this topic you will come to know all these festivals are celebrated for thanksgiving to the nature. The Bihu dance is a joyous one performed by both young men and women, and it is noted for its brisk steps and hand movement. You can see in the picture this dance. Now, as we have seen earlier that no festival is celebrated without music and dance. So here you can see the Bihu dance. This dance of Assam is known as Bihu dance, and it is a joyous one which is performed by both young men and women. You can see in the picture, and is noted for its brisk steps. See how briskly they are dancing, and look at their hand movements, right? So nicely. कसे सगळ्यांचे बघा steps. When we done that activity of dance, we have written some words like steps. So look at their steps and look at their hand movements. Uniformity. So this dance is known as Bihu dance. See, you can see here different instruments. Unusual instruments provide traditional music for the dance. The dhol, you can see here, which is similar to a drum. The pepa, right there. See here, this is pepa, a wind instrument made from a buffalo horn, cymbals, and a bamboo clapper. So these are the different instruments which provide traditional music for the Bihu dance. Now we will see them one by one. The dhol, which is similar to a drum, right? Then we have seen the new instrument which is called as pepa. This is a wind instrument made from a buffalo horn. म्हशीच्या शिंगापासून तयार केलेले हे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे. जसं बासरी असते, विंड इन्स्ट्रुमेंट बघा इकडे तुम्हाला दिसतंय होल सारखे, आणि हा भाग जो आहे हा तोंडात पकडून त्याच्यावर आवाज किंवा वाजवलं जातं किंवा ज्यातून ध्वनी बाहेर पडतो. दिस इन्स्ट्रुमेंट इज नोन एज पेपा. सिम्बल्स, आपल्याकडे झांज असते तसं. अँड नेक्स्ट इट इज बॅम्बू क्लॅपर, बांबू पासून बनवलेलं. ओके. The songs have been handed down through many generations. Bihu competitions held all over Assam attract visitors and local alike in large numbers. Now you can see here, as we have seen in the beginning, the songs and music, that is a traditional part. Tradition, it is handed over from one generation to the next generation or to the another generation. Okay. ट्रॅडिशनल सॉंग्स असतात, एका पिढीकडून दुसऱ्या पिढीकडे हे सॉंग्स पास ऑन झालेले असतात. कोणी लिहिलेत, केव्हा लिहिलेत, केव्हा सुरू केलेत, काहीच कोणाला माहित नसतं. बट दॅट इज जस्ट फॉर एन्जॉयमेंट. And at the same time you can see in second picture, Bihu competitions are held all over Assam. and there comes the visitors and local like in large number. You can see here in this picture. Okay. So in this way, Bihu is celebrated in Assam. The next is living further north in the mountains region of the Himalaya, Arunachal Pradesh finds a mention in the ancient literature of the Puranas and the Mahabharata. You can see the next part is Arunachal Pradesh, and this is very mountainous region. You can see here the height of this state from the sea level, okay, where it is located. But एकदम पर्वत रांगा आहे तिथे अरुणाचल प्रदेश बद्दल आता आपण माहिती घेऊया. आपण आसामच्या ट्रॅडिशनल डान्स आणि म्युझिक बद्दल माहिती घेतली. नेक्स्ट स्टेट इज अरुणाचल प्रदेश. अगदी पुरातन काळापासून म्हणजे महाभारतामध्ये सुद्धा याचा उल्लेख आलेला आहे. Nature has provided the people of this region with a deep feeling for beauty which can be seen in their festivities, songs and dance. Because this region or this state you can see is blessed with natural beauty, and so the people, the local people of this region has that vision or deep feeling for beauty which can be seen in their festivities, songs and dance. निसर्गाने इतकं भरभरून त्यांना सौंदर्य दिलेलं आहे आणि ते सौंदर्य त्यांच्या सण साजरे करण्यामध्ये, गाण्यामध्ये, त्यांच्या नृत्यामध्ये सगळीकडेच डोकावताना आपल्याला आढळून येतं. The New Year festival called Losar is perhaps the most important festival in certain areas of Arunachal. You can see here we have seen the Bihu is the popular festival or the main festival of the Assam. Like that, Losar is the chief or the important festival which is celebrated in certain areas of Arunachal. These are some of the pictures how Losar is celebrated in Arunachal. So add in your notebook the important festival from Arunachal is Losar. Is celebrated. On this occasion, people clean out their homes to bring in the new year and to discard the old. So, as we clean our houses before Ganpati festival, before Diwali, before Christmas, before Eid, in such way, on this occasion, people clean out their homes to bring the new year and to discard the old. नवीन वर्षाचं स्वागत करायला आणि जुनं वर्ष, जुन्या आठवणी सगळं बाहेर काढायला लोक त्यांच्या घराची साफसफाई करतात. कोणत्या फेस्टिवलला? टू सेलिब्रेट लोसार. On this occasion, you can see here people clean out their homes to bring in the new year and to discard the old. See how beautifully they have done the cleaning of their homes. Now see, in today's session we have learned about two states, that is the Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. We have learned how the Bihu is celebrated in Assam and how Losar is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. What do they do to celebrate this? Now in here today we will take a short break and we will continue the learning of remaining states in second part. So keep watching.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.